we're going to show you not only the data that proves an alt season is coming fast, but also give you a full list of the projected gains of the top 20 coins by market cap. This is a very timely analysis and the window to buy is closing fast. What in the world is happening to VeChain? We have pumped nearly 40% in the last 2 days. This is by far one of the highest gaining coins we've seen in quite a while. So what is going on? What is causing this pump? And where is VeChain heading next? Let's find out in this video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. As of today, we are 137 wins, 0 losses, and just a quick announcement here, we have a brand new future forecast video coming out tomorrow. Altcoins about to explode. Our full list of 5 to 20 times coins and tokens revealed. Now, the founder of Trade Confident himself is telling you we need to get excited. The next season coming up for crypto is an altcoin season. The data is crystal clear, and with Bitcoin pumping lately, this all but confirms the dominant shift into alts could be a couple of weeks, if not days, away. In tomorrow's future forecast video, we're going to show you not only the data that proves an alt season is coming fast, but also give you a full list of the projected gains of the top 20 coins by market cap and share with you our top 10 to 13 low cap gems that we think could have 10 to 20 times gains in the next bull run. This is a very timely analysis and the window to buy is closing fast. Watch this as soon as possible. Snag a membership at the links in the description down below so you don't miss it. It's going to be crucial data moving into the bull market. With that, let's jump straight into the analysis. We're going to scroll all the way down here to the VeChain metrics, and the very first metric we're taking a look at is the emotional index. As of yesterday and continuing on today, we are sitting in greedy territory. Most often, a greedy reading will post prior to a massive drop in the market. You can see right here, greedy drop, greedy drop. Greedy right here saw a little bit of a drop. Typically, any reading in the green zone is going to be very bearish. So keeping that in mind, technical analysis is showing bearish for the emotional index. Quickly right here, I want to show you the volatility breakout detector. Right before the breakout, we were reading within the breakout zone. Most often this happens in periods of low volatility, but after low volatility squeezes out the crazy volatility in the market. This is exactly what we saw. Great reading, breakout zone resulted in a massive breakout, one of the largest we've seen in a very long time. Great call from the breakout detector. Next up, we need to talk about whale money. After a massive pump like this, it is very likely whales are going to begin shorting this market, but it's going to be a couple weeks, and I'm going to tell you why that is in just a minute. So stay tuned for that. Whale money, at least in the near future, is looking at short trades. But before that, we need to pay attention to what whales are actually actively doing today. And as you can tell, whales are buying into the market like crazy. It is insane how much whale money has shifted into the market in the last couple of days, and of course this has resulted in significant moves to the upside. Last but not least is going to be the VeChain trade signals. Now, this massive pump is likely to see some consolidation at the top. As that plays out, I'll be looking for a sell signal, and once that happens, we should see moves back to the downside. So we're going to be paying very close attention to that. This covers the first portion of our technical analysis for this VeChain video. If you are a VeChain trader, you need to access these metrics as soon as possible and keep track of them day to day. Members get access to the VeChain metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. On top of that, as a member, you'll be able to access our trade setups, 137 wins, 0 losses on our trading record. I know it sounds crazy, but seriously, shoot us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com. We'll send you our trading record. It is verifiable. We'd be happy to provide it for you. And of course, our future forecast video, you cannot afford to miss out on the one coming out tomorrow talking about the altcoin seasons coming up. Now, if you want to join us, links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for, but keep in mind, price increases up to $65 a month are coming up on April 20th. It's going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Now, before heading into the live charts, we're actually going to head to the Morning Brew overview, also available with the membership, and we're going to scroll down to today's listing. Now, the rest of this data is reserved for our members. I'm not going to show that, but this news right here, crucial news. Here's the reason VeChain is rising today. VeChain is on a bullish rampage as investors weigh in on the protocol's prospects ahead of a major announcement. While we cannot discount the impact of the Bitcoin rally, VeChain as a protocol has also triggered anticipation in the ecosystem with its upcoming announcement. The protocol said in a post on X that it will reveal its next major milestone at the MWC 2024 event in Barcelona. Now, for those that don't know, because I didn't know this either, MWC means Mobile World Congress. I just wanted to look that up and show everyone just in case you didn't know. Now, the MWC in Barcelona this year is the world's largest and most influential connectivity event. This is going to talk all about cryptocurrency and how it can impact the rest of the world. The developers of VeChain are going to be at this event, and it's going to happen from the 26th to the 29th of February. Somewhere in this timeline, once again, developers will reveal its next major milestone, and this apparently has VeChain investors very, very excited, enough to push the price up nearly 40%. And unsurprisingly, whales are actually the one absolutely eating up VeChain at this point after the announcement. Now, if you've been in the crypto market for a while, you've probably heard the phrase, buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, there is a rumor. It's very, very vague, but VeChain, something is happening. A big announcement concerning its next milestone is coming out, and it has whale traders very excited. They bought and bought and bought. And once the announcement comes out, there's very likely going to be a pretty significant move to the upside as retail traders begin to buy in and they get excited, at which point the whales begin selling off the news. They use retail traders as their own exit liquidity. They profit like crazy and leave retail traders in the dust, crazy in a loss after they're buying the actual news itself. So I do want to caution everyone that moving towards the end of February, this could absolutely be a major concern. Now, keeping that in mind, I do want to just talk about general technical analysis at this point. Just be very careful. Buy the rumor, sell the news is a very real thing. It happens all the time. Now, technical analysis wise, price versus while money flow is extremely high at a 98.35 value with a 99% chance of a drop or squeeze on the trades in favor. This may be some of the most bearish signals we have seen in a very long time, even after Bitcoin saw its pump. We have not seen price versus while money flow this high in a very long time. Now, as the price moves up, honestly, what I think could happen here is a candle open and close above the current resistance we're testing at 4.420216 cents. I'm just going to talk from now on about the first three digits here. So 4.42 cents, that's our resistance. I think we could honestly see if this candle closes above this resistance, I think we're going to see an open and a subsequent close above this resistance as well. This would constitute a breakout, and at that point, I would not be shocked to trade within these two resistances. Of course, after a breakout, this bottom would become support, but trading between 4.42 cents and 5.47 cents is very likely. After major moves, we're going to see a lot of consolidation, just as we saw back here, right in this area, lots of consolidation before the absolutely crazy pump in the market. As that plays out, we're going to be watching the breakout detector closely. Once again, this helped us predict the insane move that just happened after we saw consolidation with very little volatility in the market. As soon as we moved back above this orange area, we saw the massive breakout in VeChain. So we're going to be watching that closely. And if we're at a structure support, when we see well money high and trades in favor high, this could indicate a move down. Bearish signals as we test support, often we'll see a breakout. But If we reach a resistance and we've consolidated a while, well money is back down, trades in favor is back down. These are both highly bullish. So if we test resistance and we see highly bullish signals, most often this will mean a break up. Of course, you're going to want to watch the breakout detector as this plays out too. Now let's talk about where these resistances actually come from. We got to move way, way back in the history of VeChain. I'm talking as far back as 2022. Hide these signals just to make it a little bit easier to see. But you're going to see multiple touches on our current resistance at 4.42 cents. And the next resistance up, multiple touches again at 5.47 cents. This is where these structures come from. These are the structures that we're going to be watching. Now, keep in mind, if whale money begins tanking at this point, I think it's unlikely. We need to see the news play out before whale money moves out of the market. But it is possible if we see whale money drop immediately, this could drop the price back to around 3.83 cents. So keep that in mind. But overall, a continued move, a breakout here and a continued move of about 22%. That's absolutely insane. Is very likely in VeChain as we begin consolidating. I don't think it's going to be as sharp of a move, but a gradual move up between these two structures is very possible as we approach the 26th through the 29th of February for the MWC 2024 crypto conference in Barcelona. Now, as this plays out, you're going to want to snag these indicators as soon as possible. These indicators, along with our risk management strategy, strenuous risk management, has helped us earn 137 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Absolutely insane, crazy profits. Once again, feel free to email us if you want to see that trading record. But for now, I'm going to show you how to snag these indicators for $550 off. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down and it's going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Members get a massive $150 discount. It's actually much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link and click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the future forecast video tomorrow, talking about that alt season coming up. Don't miss out.